morning. Today we are going to solve a question. Find HCF by division method. We have two expressions, x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 3 and 5x cube plus 3x square minus 17x plus 6. We write this expression here, x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 minus 2 x square plus x minus 3 and divide it with the second one. Five x cube plus 3x square minus 17x plus 6. Here is 4, here is 3, we need x. Here is 1, here is 5, so we need to divide this with the 5. So we write it x over 5. We get x to the power 4 plus 3 over 5 x cube minus 17 over 5 x square plus 6 over 5 x. Now change the signs. These two cancel. This we get 1 minus 3 over 5. We do it here. 1 minus 3 over 5 is equal to 5 minus 3 over 5 is equal to 2 over 5. 2 over 5 x cube 17 over 5 minus 2. We do it here. 17 over 5 minus 2 is equal to 7 over 5 plus 7 over 5 x square. 1 minus 6 over 5 means 5 minus 6 over 5 is equal to minus 1 over 5. Minus 1 over 5x and bring this down as is 3. Now this is 5 and this is 2 over 5. We need here 2 over 5. So we multiply this with 2 and divide by 25. Plus 2 over 25. We get here 2 over 5 x cube plus 3 to the 6 over 25 x square minus 34 over 25 x plus 12 over 25. Now changing the signs, minus minus plus minus. These are cancelled. Now there we have to make the calculations. Even we can use a calculator here, and these calculations are 7 over 5 minus 6 over 25 means 35 minus 6 over 25. This is 29 over 25 x square. Now look at this. This is plus, this is minus. 34 over 25 minus 1 over 5 is equal to 34 minus 5 over 25 minus 29 over 25 x minus 25 3s are 75 plus 2 87 over 25. 29 over 25 is common, so remaining here x square minus x minus 3. Now we divide the second expression with this. So we write it as 5x cube plus 3x square minus 17x plus 6 and divide it with x square minus x minus 3. Here I note a mistake. This should be plus. As we got the answer here, 34 minus 5 over 25 means plus 29 over, and this is also plus, and this is also plus. Now we need 5 into x, 5x cube plus 5x square minus 15x on changing the signs. These two cancel each other, minus 2x square plus 2x plus 6. Now we need here minus 2 x square, sorry, there is minus, and minus 2x minus plus 6, changing the sign, plus minus. These plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel, nothing is remaining. So x square plus x minus 3 is the required HCF of the given expressions. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos. If you have any question in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you.